This is not a community announcement. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. There is currently an extremely dangerous event taking place across the United States. Many lines of severe thunderstorms have formed as of 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time. In the light of these thunderstorms, multiple tornadoes have formed, and are causing massive apocalyptic damage across the United States. The cause of this event is completely unknown at this time, as a high amount of tornadoes like this has never been recorded before. All residents of the United States are strongly advised to shelter in place immediately. Yeah, that's all I have to say about that. Now if you'll excuse me, I have a family to save, so I will be signing off. May God bless the United States of America.
Hey, where the heck did Tom go? He is supposed to be reading the script for this national emergency.
I think I overheard him say that he had to go save his family.
What the hell do you mean he said he was leaving to save his family? He can't just abandon his job just for his stupid family.
Well, I mean, you know what they say, family first. Honestly, I don't blame him. I probably would do the same thing as him.
That's it. The next time I see Tom, I'm going to kick his fucking ass.
We apologize for the foul language, ladies and gentlemen. This concludes all operations of the emergency alert system. All regular programming is being suspended until further notice. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.